So the word Soho to describe this neighborhood is actually a fairly recent invention from the 1960s, where the real estate industry was looking to rebrand this neighborhood to describe an area that's south of Houston Street and create a new identity for it as a luxury residential neighborhood. Before that, it was actually a much more industrial neighborhood. And what you see here, these cast iron buildings, are really the result of an exploration of a new building type. Soho has the largest concentration of cast iron buildings really in the world. A lot of that is the result of the rapid industrialization that happened here in the 1860s and the 1870s, and also the fact that the material in these cast iron buildings were invented and fabricated just several blocks further south in what's currently Tribeca. So behind me is 488 Broadway, also known as the Howitz Building, which is named after the original occupant of the building. It was a department store. The building is really one of the most important cast iron buildings in this district, if not all of New York. If we were talking about whether cast iron is a detail or a whole building, here it's an entire building. And it looks superficially like a Renaissance palazzo. It's almost a dead ringer in the window bay for the Marciano Library in Venice. Obviously at a very different scale and a very different context. And it's kind of a great exhibit of the struggle of these buildings to find an appropriate language. You know, it looks like an historic building, but really this building, it's all about technology and embracing newness and fabrication and manufacturing.